Yeah. Does it still work? I don't know.
Oh, your lights are still there.
Oh, they're on. It's on right now. He had the flag going across the road while that lady nicely stopped traffic for him.
That's pretty cool.
That's some of the oil, the glycol, like the food grade glycol came out of it.
Man, that's just not your standard Karen whip.
It's not a grandma's whip.
Oh,
Nick sure
man.
was bushwhacking and everything. I know what had.
You doing all right?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
He looked back and I said, "Does he have it?" For some reason I got the antenna on my head, but I lost all that, so fucking hurts now. Yeah, Nick's definitely.
I even have that match on.
Yeah, you got it. Well, a little more, just a little bit on the bottom still, but.
Yeah, fuck your flag. Flag.
Why? Who's a Biden supporter that's here?
How's it going, man? I will be.
I will be, he says.
I'm always the opposite of everybody. Just like I said,
You had the mug last night, the fuck Lions didn't you? Yeah, they fucking suck. I'm a Rams fan now.
I had a buddy of mine, he had a big bumper sticker, man. That going on the back of his tailgate of his truck. That first grew and it sucked me right down in there, and there's nothing I could do. I know.
Got our first breakdown, major breakdown. Ring and pinion shot.
Half his ass, his pants would be all the way down half his crack. You can just barely, probably almost see his asshole actually. Yeah. They call him butt crack Matt. You know? What's that there? Almost like hell. Leave my refrigerator over.
Shit, man, fuck.